If you're wondering how to adjust the brightness and contrast in AdCreative AI to enhance your ad creatives, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through a simple yet powerful feature that helps you improve your ad performance. Stick around and I'll show you how these adjustments can make a significant difference in your campaign results. Now, AdCreative AI is a great tool for generating high-performing ad creatives using AI. You can create stunning ads quickly, saving time and boosting conversion rates. And what makes it even better is that you can adjust settings like brightness and contrast to give your visuals a polished, professional look. These adjustments are essential for catching the viewer's eye and making your ad stand out in crowded spaces. Let's dive straight into how you can adjust brightness and contrast in AdCreative AI. When you're editing a creative, you'll notice a range of customizable options. Brightness is one of the first settings you'll see. Increasing the brightness will make your image or video appear lighter, which can help it look more vibrant. If your ad's image is too dark, or if the colors aren't popping enough, tweaking the brightness will give it a fresh, clear look. On the other hand, contrast adjustments will alter the difference between light and dark areas. A higher contrast can make your ad feel more dynamic by emphasizing the distinction between lighter and darker elements. This can be especially useful if you want to highlight specific details in your ad or create a more dramatic effect. If the ad feels flat or lacks depth, a bit of contrast can give it a professional touch. To adjust these settings, simply click on the image or video within your AdCreative editor and you'll see sliders for both brightness and contrast. Move the brightness slider to the right to make the image lighter, or move it to the left if you want a darker feel. For contrast, slide to the right for higher contrast and to the left for a softer, more balanced look. You'll see changes happen in real time, so you can play around with the settings until you get the look just right. When making adjustments, keep your target audience in mind. If you're running ads for a luxury product, for example, you might want to increase the contrast to create a more sophisticated, high-end look. If you're promoting something fun or casual, softer brightness and contrast might suit your style better. It's all about experimenting with these settings to align with your brand and message. You can also use these adjustments to make your ads more consistent with the branding you're working with. Whether you're using bright, bold colors or soft, muted tones, the brightness and contrast sliders in AdCreative AI let you maintain visual consistency across all your creatives. It's an easy way to ensure your ads look polished and professional every time. Now, here's something that makes AdCreative AI even better. You can test these changes with different variations of the same creative. This lets you test which brightness and contrast settings work best for your audience and drive higher conversions. This is why AdCreative AI is so powerful. It allows you to not only create great ads, but also refine them to perfection with just a few simple tweaks. As you can see, adjusting brightness and contrast is a straightforward yet effective way to enhance your ad creatives. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned digital marketer, mastering these simple features can make a huge difference in the performance of your ads. And here's the best part. You can get access to AdCreative AI for free right now with an exclusive bonus by clicking the first link in the description. That's right. If you're just starting out or looking to optimize your ad creatives, you can take advantage of this extended free trial and start making stunning ads today. To wrap up, remember that adjusting brightness and contrast is a quick, effective way to enhance your ad creatives and make them more engaging for your audience. Test out different settings, keep your audience in mind, and see what works best. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab your free trial through the link below to get started with AdCreative AI today.